My dear students, good morning everybody. We shall discuss about tag question. This question has been selected for class 9 and 10, especially for SSC exam. Before SSC level or after SSC level in intermediate level, this question has not been included. NCTB has selected this lesson for SSC level. Formerly, that means in previous years, for this question 5 marks were distributed, allotted, but now at present 7 marks have been allotted, and NCTB has included this lesson in SSC level in grammatical part, and recently 2 marks have been added with tag question, means in total 7 marks will be given the students in SSC level. So it has great significance and importance to learn. Before knowing or before discussing tag question, we should know what is tag. Tag means to attach something, to add something with anything. Suppose if I want to buy a shirt, if I go to shopping mall, supermarket or big bazaar, I shall see or we can see the price list will be added with the shirt or pant. Suppose if I go to shopping mall, I can see or you can see, if you go, the price list have been added with the commodities, means shirt, pants or other accessories or goods. Suppose this is a shirt, it has been hung with the hanger and the price list also add with the shirt, and this is called tag. And here tag means, in grammatical part, tag means a statement will be given at the end of the sentence, tag question will be made. Suppose Bangladesh is a small, at the end of the sentence tag question will be made, and its answer would be hasn't she. Bangladesh is feminine gender, basically feminine gender, so it's pronounced she or it, any one we can use. So the answer would be hasn't, isn't she or isn't it. Bangladesh is a small, its tag question would be isn't she or isn't it, any one, and direct subjective case will be used at the end of the sentence, means in the tag question. And tag question has basically two parts, two bodies. First one is a statement and the second one is the question. And in this question, especially the yes or no answer is asked. Dear students, before discussing tag question, we should know about question properly. Question is basically three kinds. There, ordinary question means interrogative sentence, then WS question, then tag question. Interrogative question means how are you, what is your name, are you happy, have they done the work. This is interrogative sentence. WS question means the question which is made using WS words is called WS question. Suppose how are you, why have you done it, when will he come, this is WS question. And WS question, especially the question word which carries W and H is called WS question. Who, what, when, how, where, these words contains W and H, so these are called WS words. And when we use this kind of words to make question is called WS question. And tag question means the question which is used to know only the affirmative and negative answer, to know the affirmation or negation answer. Suppose you went to college study or school study, I told a person, but he did not answer. To be confirmed, I can ask him, did you or didn't you? If the sentence is past tense, didn't you, did you, we can say. But if the sentence is present tense, suppose you go to school every day, indefinite tense, present tense. In this case, we can say you go to school you go to school every day. Don't you? Do you? But do you never will come in the case of tag question, because the statement is affirmative. And here we should also know, we should also discuss about the categories of tag question. Tag question has three classifications. They are affirmative tag, negative tag, and interrogative tag. Affirmative tag means the tag which makes affirmative answer, and negative tag means the tag which makes negative answer, and semi tag means the tag which makes semi answer. Semi means the statement is affirmative and the answer also is affirmative. Okay, semi tag example, he has little money. There is no negation, but little is negative, and little is used here in disguised way, and this little indicates negative meaning, but the sentence looks like affirmative, and at the end of the sentence we are saying has he or does he. He has little money, the answer would be has he or does he. No negation will come here because the statement is negative. Little indicates negative meaning, not only little but also few, little, hardly, scarcely, seldom, rare. This indicates negative meaning. And if we get this kind of word in the sentence made, the tag question would be affirmative. And basically this sentence is disguised negative. The sentence is negative in disguised, and so the answer would be affirmative. But looks like first part is affirmative, the next part is also affirmative. And here tag question has two parts, two bodies we have told earlier. First one, suppose here observe, Rana has bought a car. This is first part, and hasn't he, this is the tag question, this is another one part, and this sentence is affirmative and the answer has been negative. Rana has done it or Rana has bought a car. Rana is subject, Rana's pronoun is he, so I have given here he, and has is auxiliary verb, has come here. There is no negation, so negation has come here not, and in total has not, has been, hasn't. That means in this way we shall make negative tag, not only negative tag, every tag. And here short form, actually suppose is not would be isn't, do not would be don't, have not would be haven't, are not would be aren't, will not would be won't, cannot would be can't. In this way short form will come. In the case of tag question we shall use only short form. Dear students, actually tag question is not a short chapter, it has many rules. We have to practice the rules again and again, but at present I have discussed the characteristics of tag question, and we shall discuss the rules of tag question in the next class. And until then you will take care of your body health and you will stay safe, you will attend the classes in healthy mood, healthy way, you will maintain the hygiene, means cleanliness, and you will remain safe and sound in the classroom and everywhere in your environment. Thanks all. See you again.